guys, welcome to Buddy's Talk. Today we are going to play a game of guess or identify the tune with Divya and Shweta. Hello guys.
Hi.
So, you guys know what we are doing today?
I guess. I'll guess.
So, I will be playing you guys a tune, okay, which is from our 90s series, okay, like we used to have our, what we used to watch as kids.
Yeah, the web series of 90s basically.
वेब सीरीज यहाँ वही वेब में ही होता है वो दूरदर्शन
TV
की
series of 90s.
वो दूरदर्शन का ऐसा जो सर्कल सर्कल होता था वो वेब ही था एक्चुअली
Actually.
It was the only web that was available.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I think these are quite popular ones. Should be easy for you guys. I
Okay.
have tried to edit the songs in a way that it is used. It still has the essence of the series as well as it doesn't, and cut off the the name of the series as well.
Okay.
Okay, you don't
Yeah.
get the name until and unless you identify.
Okay.
So just for a trial purpose, I'm going to play a sound now.
Okay.
Okay, this is trial. There will be 10 series after this, 10 tunes after this. You can do you can identify. The first one is a trial, just for the checking the sound, and if you guys are able to guess it as well. Okay,
Okay.
let's go
Okay.
this one. So yeah, once the tune is over, you guys can throw in your guesses.
Okay.
Sure.
Here we go.
So this is trial, right?
I have to wait for it to finish, right?
Yes. Yeah. So
Yeah.
This
I
is
heard
the
it.
Doordarshan
Yeah.
logo.
The
basically.
circle.
Yeah.
Only
Okay.
thing is, Bhavna, I think it was a little far off. Like I've a little
no,
more
that's okay.
volume.
Yeah. The next ones will be super cool. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. The first one. Here it goes.
जिंदगी तूफानी है जहां है लेजर्स हवाई जहाज ये है
What was that?
I can guess.
Okay, go ahead.
It was the cartoon show DuckTales.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I used to watch it. So
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
it was
You
super
but-
know
fun.
Divya.
मेरे को वो लाइन नहीं, मेरे को वो लाइन ज्यादा उसमें से अननोन है. DuckTales, ऐसे.
हाँ.
इसलिए तो मैंने कट किया वो.
हाँ, उसको start I couldn't identify, but yeah, good one.
Okay. So we were not playing point system, but I'll still give Shweta a point.
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. The second one.
I know this.
Yeah, even I know.
वो शेखर सुमन का.
हाँ.
हाँ क्या था शेखर सुमन का?
शेखर सुमन का.
You
भूल
need
गया.
to start
क्या था?
eating almonds, Divya.
I know.
I'll say.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll play again.
Yeah.
No, I won't know the name. I won't know the name anyways. Shweta बोल दे.
Okay.
Yeah, it is Dig by Dig.
Dig by
serial.
Dig.
Wow.
Yeah, that was
Shweta
one of my
gets 2
favorite.
As soon as Divya gets a point, we change the point system. Okay.
Okay, next.
The third one. By the way, Dekh by Dekh mein which other actors can you remember?
I remember that ladka who always wears trousers, boxers.
Short, no?
Oh.
I don't know what his name is. Yeah, but I still remember.
Sanju.
He's
Yeah,
always in
yeah.
color
was the
shorts,
Sanju.
yeah.
character name. Yeah.
I like that guy. He was cute.
And then
I
there was
liked-
Farida Jalal also.
Farida
Yeah.
Jalal also, yeah.
I like the servant in the serial, Garima.
हाँ,
It
Gari,
was so cute,
हाँ.
sir. Yeah, he's
अभी
so
मुझे
cute.
याद आ रहा है. As you're saying, now I remember those characters. As you're
Yeah.
saying.
He was that Gattu in Sarabhai versus
Yeah.
Sarabhai. Not Gattu, in the other one. I don't know which other series was. But yeah, I
in
understood.
some serial he was good too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gattu, yes. Okay, here goes the next one.
हर शब नई कहानी दिलचस्प है बयानी
I know this.
I know.
ये वो है ना विक्रम वेताला क्या? नहीं,
No,
अलादीन का.
No.
Oh
No.
God.
Aladdin. Okay, Aladdin was a part of this, but it is not Aladdin.
Alif Laila.
हाँ.
अरे वाह,
Very good.
पॉइंट सिस्टम हो गया, खत्म हो गया.
उसमें वो
it's
गाना
like-
भी मुझे याद है. अलिफ
हाँ.
लैला, अलिफ लैला, अलिफ लैला.
Do you guys want to listen to the proper music to this one?
Yeah, it will be nice.
Yeah.
One second, hold on.
अलिफ लैला अलिफ लैला
We are exactly like you're singing.
I was actually imagining Divya also wearing that
Costume, of
Yeah, I
course.
think she can fit into a
Laila.
Jasmine. Yeah, I think she can fit into a Jasmine costume very easily.
Yeah.
But this is a nice memory. Yeah, I used to love these ones.
Yeah.
I used to look forward to watching them. But yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, no
Next.
nonsense series. Yeah, so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Yes.
I know this. Yeah, come on. Everybody knows this.
Okay, which one?
Zaman Samal ke.
Oh,
yeah.
I think Shweta didn't know.
Yeah,
Shweta,
I was
come
just trying to
on.
remember. I
Oh
know
my
this tune, but I
God.
couldn't recollect which one. Okay.
Zaman Samal ke was
cool.
all-time favorite. Yeah.
Yeah, very
Now, who was your
nice.
favorite character? Who did you like the most in that?
I think everyone in that, yeah.
Yeah.
Who was it? If you say there was this Parsi fellow, then the English guy,
Hmm.
Tom Alter, was really nice.
Yeah, my favorite was
Yeah.
Tom
Bhavna
Alter.
Bhattacharya. Yeah,
And then there
Bhavna
was
was
also-
also, yeah.
Yeah. Even Tanas Kurin.
Oh, Tanas Karim
Tanas Karim
also.
also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Even that Parsi guy, you remember the Parsi guy? Ek
Yes,
Parsi guy
yeah.
Oh,
भी
yes,
उसमें.
yes.
Yeah.
Everyone was
Right,
funny.
Yeah.
Oh, Pankaj Kapoor also
Pankaj
was very
Kapoor was
good,
the
very good
teacher.
in that.
Yeah. And the
Yeah.
principal, I think, was Shubha Kote.
हाँ, प्रिंसिपल भी याद है मुझे. उसका भाई भी था ना as a student.
Right. Yeah. He was a student.
Yeah, Maharashtrian tha. I think he was a
Yeah.
Maharashtrian guy. Yeah, it was awesome. But Tom Alton was my all-time favorite. I used to love his
Yeah.
accent and the way he talks.
Yeah, quite nice. But it was adapted from an English series
Yeah.
called Mind Your Language.
Language,
right?
yeah,
yeah.
Mind Your Language,
Yeah.
yes. Which I came to know very much later, but still, I would still watch the English one. No, I mean the Hindi one more than the English series.
Yeah, that's
For
true.
memory's sake.
Even in the
Yeah.
movie English Finglish had a glimpse of it, right? Sridevi
Oh,
जहाँ
yeah,
पे
right.
जाती है.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, that was
Seems like
cool,
that.
Bhavna.
Cool. Very nice.
Okay, next one.
Mm-hmm.
की कहानी ये माना है पुरानी ये पुरानी होकर भी
Yes, come on, guesses.
I don't know actually. I've heard this, but I don't know.
You
Wow.
know, you
think-
know.
I think it's
This used to-
Chandrakanta.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh,
Yes.
Chandrakanta.
I think I should play the title track of this one also. It's quite
Yeah.
because
Crude
of,
Singh wala, Crude Singh
Yes.
wala.
Yeah,
Akku,
cool.
Akku Pitaji.
Oh my God, it's been so many years
I
and we still
know.
remember these
Yeah.
characters and their dialogues.
चंद्रकांता की कहानी ये माना है पुरानी ये पुरानी होकर भी बड़ी लगती है सुहानी ये पुरानी
होकर भी लगती है सुहानी. Very
I think
nice.
someone wants to sing. Gana, Shweta, Gana.
No, I don't want to sing, please. Yeah, I can just do it with the music on.
Yeah,
नहीं
maybe-
श्वेता नहीं भावना
we can-
अगर श्वेता गाएगी तो तुझे कॉपीराइट भी नहीं मिलेगा किसी को समझेगा ही नहीं
नहीं, अगला अगला जो सेशन हम लोग कुछ और करेंगे ना, आइडेंटिफाई वाला, उसमें श्वेता गाएगी.
अच्छा, no
please.
copyright issue. But that was good
Let's move to
one.
the-
Yeah.
let's move to the next one. You guys want to guess?
No, I couldn't even hear it
Yeah.
properly. Can you
Actually,
play
इतना
again?
काफी है.
Dush, that's
Actually,
nothing
इतना-
else.
Actually,
Is it-
इतना काफी है, but I will go ahead once.
नहीं
hold on.
नहीं, go ahead मत कर. Play it again because I couldn't hear it properly. Oh
I
yeah,
know.
महाभारत. महाभारत.
Yeah.
Yes.
हाँ.
तो एक्चुअली वो फर्स्ट का जो पार्ट सुनाया ना मैंने, उतना
हाँ.
काफी था.
No,
मैंने
I
फर्स्ट
couldn't
ठीक से
guess.
सुना नहीं actually. I couldn't hear it properly. Like I
Okay,
couldn't
okay.
hear it. Yeah.
कुछ नहीं, वो sound effects was also very bad, so they were just making some bad sound effects.
Yeah,
It is
I'm
actually
surprised
supposed to
where you
be-
find all these ones. Yeah, like Alif Laila, सब तूने कहाँ से ढूंढ के निकाला?
Memory,
And to be
memory.
honest, I had forgotten those serials, but Bhavna, you just revived.
हाँ, I mean, I'm sure,
Awesome.
Bhavna, you would have like researched it based on the names, so you would remember those
No.
names, right?
Not really. You know मेरा दिमाग कितना चलता है, मेरा memory कितनी अच्छी है. So this is all from that that part of my memory which is back, which has got a section for 90s. You know,
Yeah,
उधर से निकला हुआ है. I didn't
Right.
have to actually remember. I just had to type the names and get the songs
I
downloaded.
know, that's cool.
Cool.
Okay, this
Okay,
one
next.
is super easy. This one is
Okay.
super easy. Okay,
Mhm.
just listen to it.
Huh.
Oh, I know this. I know this.
Divya doesn't even want to wait.
Na 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 na
श्वेता तू बोल,
na. अरे
श्वेता
मेरे को,
तू बोल.
It's Malgudi days.
of course. इसका म्यूजिक ही
very
होता
nice.
ta na
Yeah,
na
very
ta
unique.
na 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 na. उसका
Apparently, I remember only one character very prominently. I think. What about you guys?
I don't
You remember anyone
remember
named
the
character?
names. I don't remember the names of the characters, honestly.
So there is this one character, one kid character, child
Swami.
character, Swami. Yes, Swami and his friend.
हाँ, Swami, I remember. हाँ, वो लड़की
Yeah.
का फेस भी मुझे याद है actually.
और इसमें ना बहुत कम episodes थे. I think I don't know. 30 या 50 episodes ही है.
Right.
बहुत ही
and-
simple था
Very
ना?
simple,
Yeah, very
Life
simple.
was much simple then, so ऐसे ही होने वाला.
Very simple and innocent actually.
Hmm.
I wish
Yeah,
those
true.
kind of
And
things were made now.
absolutely.
नहीं,
And I
अभी तो
think the
मुश्किल
other
है
day
यार.
I saw my husband and my daughter sitting and watching, and they got so glued to it. They watched all the episodes in a week, you know. So
Wow.
I think I feel they are still so relevant, you know, irrespective
Yeah.
of the time they were
Hmm,
created
hmm,
and even now. So
Yeah,
nice.
actually, you know
Yeah.
what? That's a good idea. I'll also start watching it again.
Yeah,
Just
and
like I
then
started
Yeah.
watching Mahabharat when COVID started, like it was a trend, right?
True.
Mahabharat
And
वापस देखने
Ramayan,
लग गए थे.
Yes,
हाँ.
yes. Hmm.
चल next.
Okay, चलो next.
हाँ हाँ. I think ये वो है संजय कपूर का ना, संजय खान का.
अरे वाह दिव्या,
Oh,
मुझे लगा
wow.
किसी को सब पता नहीं होगा ये वाला.
नहीं उसका
Yeah.
नाम मैं सोच रही हूँ क्या था.
टीपू सुल्तान.
टिपू सुल्तान.
अरे वाह. दिव्या, इसके लिए तुझे 100 points.
अरे लेकिन मेरे को वो
हाँ,
पसंद
actually.
था. I used to like Sanjay Khan a lot at that time because he was so good looking, right?
नहीं, वो ठीक है. Even I used to watch this Tipu Sultan a lot, but मुझे उसका for this I had to go
हाँ.
back into YouTube and listen to it कि हाँ, you know, उसका title track क्या था करके.
हाँ.
Yeah,
नहीं, I
even I
remember.
couldn't recollect.
Yeah. But
Wow,
it's
Chalo.
very
awesome.
good, Divya.
We got 2 more, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
अदम्य साहस की परिभाषा है ये मिटती
Oh,
मानव
हाँ, I know.
I don't know the name. Remember the name? हाँ बोल दे श्वेता.
Yes.
Yeah, I think it is Shaktiman.
Awesome. इसके लिए 200 points देता. 200 points.
शक्तिमान
No, this was easy. This was
शक्तिमान
easy.
अरे क्या
India's own
इजी
superhero, ना?
मेरे को याद भी नहीं आया लेकिन अच्छा है शक्तिमान
हाँ. But I didn't really watch the serial much. But I
अरे
was
तो अभी
thinking
देखेगी
that
ना
it was
हंस
very
हंस के मर
famous.
जाएगी हंस हंस के मर जाएगी इतना
अरे
फनी
ये तो गंगाधर कुछ नाम था उसका.
हाँ
Clark
इतना
Kent
फनी
of
है ना
India.
Indian superhero.
हाँ इंडियन सुपर फर्स्ट इंडियन सुपर हीरो एक्चुअली
Hmm.
First Indian superhero. Yes, yes, yes.
चल that was good
Now the next one is it will bring back all the nostalgia वगैरह जो भी है ना सब.
Mhm.
And I think दिव्या तूने इसमें एक्टिंग भी की थी शायद से.
Oh.
क्यों आहट है क्या Is it आहट Is it आहट tell me
नहीं मैं आहट भूल गई मुझे डालना चाहिए था मैं आहट भूल गई but ये
अरे
वाला है.
यार तू भी ना सच में
इसकी मेन कास्ट तू थी दिव्या. चल आई एम प्लेइंग इट.
ओके ठीक है
Yes.
ओ गॉड मुझे नहीं पता
I know.
What really?
It's so simple.
Wait. I'll play the full song. Wait.
हाँ,
I'll
ठीक है,
play the
ठीक है,
full
play
song.
कर।
ठीक है, but Shweta, I give it to you because I know you know this.
Yeah.
कौन सा है ये
रुक जा ना रुक जा.
ओह नो जंगल बुक अरे यार ये तो अभी थोड़ा और दे देती तो मैं गेस कर लेती
ये तो ना नहीं दिया इसलिए मैंने राइट टाइम पे
जंगल
कट कर दिया.
जंगल बात चली है पता चला है अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है फूल खिला है
Got back a lot of memories.
Yeah.
Sunday morning.
Yeah, Sunday morning, 10 o'clock.
You
I
just
think.
made my day
Yeah.
with that. You just made my day with that, honestly. सच में. But I wish तूने आहट डाला होता यार. उसमें म्यूजिक है
I
ना.
know. आहट was the पूरा, I don't know how I forgot about it. You remember that mask that used to come from Z Horror Show वाला और I mean वो Z Horror.
हाँ, Z
Yeah.
horror show भी है. Z horror show भी है.
लेकिन
I
ये
used to be-
आहट का song.
I used to be so scared of these channel programs. I used to just keep my eyes closed so I don't remember any mask or anything.
सुन लो.
हाँ, ये सही ऐसे ही था. सोनी पे आता था.
Right.
ऐसा तो डरावना म्यूजिक था एकदम. लेकिन I'm sure अभी हम लोग अभी देखेंगे ना हंस हंस के मर जाएंगे.
Seriously.
लेकिन this face को वो लोग ने कैसे एडिट किया हुआ क्या है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है but at that time the watching the full series was okay but listening to this song with that mask face
Yeah,
वाला
yeah,
gave me
the-
goosebumps.
Yeah, the music was like very scary at that time. And it's so iconic, right? And like तू कहीं पे भी सुनेगी मैंने तो बहुत टाइम तक ऐसे लोगों का ना रिंगटोन्स भी सुना था ये म्यूजिक था
Oh God,
फोन्स
yes.
में.
Oh.
हाँ.
Thank
ऐसे
you for
phone
that
बजता था.
wonderful idea. I know what to keep my ringtone for you now.
For me, yeah. I mean, I didn't mean ringtone. I was saying caller tune. I mean,
Caller
no,
tunes, yeah,
ringtone.
yeah.
You are saying caller tunes, yeah.
Caller tunes.
हाँ.
But I think it was really nice.
Yeah, it
I
was
mean,
fun.
you brought
Yeah.
so many memories back.
I know. I
Awesome.
might even watch these series again, Bhavna. Thanks for reminding. Like, even
It
Dig
is
by Dig
actually,
bhi.
it is actually a very big stress buster. Anytime you feel like, not feeling up to it, just one of these series and you get
Yeah.
back to your happy mood
Yeah.
again.
Like,
I would
Zaban
also
Sabal
say
ke bhi.
just talking to you guys, I think that made me my day because I'm literally smiling, from one to the other after
Yeah.
listening to today's all these
Yeah.
musics.
Yeah,
it was
it just gives you energy, especially for me. Like when I woke up in the morning, I was like super tired and super bored to do anything. But now I thought my energy level is back on track.
Yeah,
And I
thank you
can
so much,
plan my day.
Bhavna. I think it was awesome.
You guys are great, awesome, everything else until next time now. See you
Yeah,
everyone.
thank you for this. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.